Hello, welcome to Swahili Kingdom. So use these phrases instead of saying, I don't like it in Swahili. Please try to be more polite when declining an offer in Swahili. So first of all, thank you for clicking on this video. It is such a great help for Swahili Kingdom for you to click these videos. You are a lucky person if you got yourself watching this video because you will learn how to decline an offer in Swahili politely. Let's be honest here. Sometimes you are invited to do something, but you are busy or you are not interested in that activity. Is that so? So how will you respond to that person politely but in Swahili? Don't miss the advanced given vocabulary at the end of this video. Of course, watch the video until the end so that you can see the vocabularies given. So keep watching, and keep watching. And by that, you are really helping Swahili Kingdom. And it will grow more and more just because of you. So thank you in advance for clicking in this video and watching this video until the end. And make sure you learn something from this video. Don't get out of this video without learning anything. Get the vocabularies, write the notes, and make sure you are improving your level in Swahili by watching any of my videos at Swahili Kingdom. Let's talk about an app you can use to learn Swahili. It is called Ling App. It has 60 plus languages you can learn inside there. It has 5 levels, which is beginner, intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, and expert. And each level has 10 units and 4 subunits in each unit. Speaking test with a native recorded audio, and after that there is a test. It has a conversation between 2 people at the end of each unit. Vocabularies have pictures and are properly pronounced. It is very beginner friendly, and if you are learning Swahili, I will really recommend you to use this app because it gives you a ground when you are a beginner, where to start from and how to communicate with people, because all the basics are in here. As I have said, it has a lot of language options. It is not only about Swahili. The good thing is that it shows you which phrase comes first in a sentence, the sentence order, which is a very big problem. Check the link for downloading it in the description box below. Thank you so much. The first phrase to use is I don't appreciate it. Sithamini, I don't appreciate. Sikithamini, I don't appreciate it. Sikithamini, I have put ki as the infix. So you should put the infix depending on the noun class. Okay, so check the noun classes with the video suggested above. I hope it will help you a lot. Example, Bakari. Ningependa kwenda nawe michezoni, lakini siithamini. Bakari, I would like to go with you in the games, but I don't appreciate them. I don't appreciate them. Bakari has invited you to go for games, but you decline the offer, but in a good way. The second one, I can't stand. Just tell them, siwezani. But this one is casual. This one is casual. An example, hilo ni wazo zuri, lakini siwezani nalo. That's a great idea, but I can't stand it. Number 3, I'm not fond of. Sipendelei. Or you can just say sipendi. But when you use sipendelei, it will sound a bit more advanced. An example, Maria ameongea vizuri, lakini sipendelei kuogelea. Maria has spoken very well, but I'm not fond of swimming. I don't like swimming. So you decline the offer, you won't go swimming. Number 4, I'm not a fan of. Mimi si shabiki wa. Ningeenda mashindanoni, lakini mimi si shabiki wa midoli. Number 5, I'm sick of. Nimechoshwa na. An example, singekosa kuona mashindano, lakini nimechoshwa na midoli. I will not have missed the competitions, but I'm sick of dolls. So you won't go because you are sick of dolls. You won't go to the competitions. Number 6, I'm not keen on. Siko makini or sina nia ya. Nia actually means an intention, but when you use it in this setup, declining something, it means I'm not keen or something, or I'm not interested. An example, Bakari, nilikuambia kuwa sina nia ya kuwa msusi. Bakari, I told you I had no intentions of being a saloonist or becoming a saloonist. Number 7, I have had enough of. Nimetosheka na. Example, A, twende kutembea. Let's go for a walk. And then B, declines. Asante, nimetosheka na matembezi. Thanks, I have had enough of walks. This one is interesting. Number 8, I'm not into such things. Siko kwa mambo kama hayo. Siko kwa mambo kama hayo. Asante sana Maria, lakini wajua kuwa siko kwa mambo kama hayo. Thank you so much Maria, but you know I'm not into such things. So thank you for the offer, but I won't go. Just declining in a polite way. Number 9, I think I'll pass on. Nafikiri nitafanya siku nyingine. Nitafanya siku nyingine actually means I will do it another day. I will do it another day, but in this context, it means I'll pass on. I'll pass on. So you are telling that person you will do it another day, but you are not sure which day you will do it. So it's like you won't do it. An example, asante kwa kuniambia, lakini nina kazi kibao. By the way, if you want to know the meaning of kibao, nyingi, go check the video suggested above. It will tell you all. Asante kwa kuniambia, lakini nina kazi kibao. Nitafanya siku nyingine. Thanks for telling me, but I have a lot of work. I'll pass on. Number 10, it's not my thing. It's not my cup of tea. Kila mtu ana jambo lake. Everyone has their own thing. Number 11, it doesn't tickle my fancy, or it doesn't please me. Say, halinipendezi. Halinipendezi, you can use you should use the appropriate infix. Like I have given examples of ya. You can say hayanipendezi, hainipendezi, havinipendezi, okay? They don't please me. It doesn't please me. An example, wazo ulilotoa halinipendezi. The idea you gave does not please me. If you want to say does not please me at all, say halinipendezi hata kidogo. Hata kidogo. It doesn't please me at all. Number 12, it's not for me. Hiyo si ya kwangu. Hiyo si ya kwangu. An example, napenda kwenda mashindanoni, lakini hiyo ya midoli si ya kwangu. I like going to or for competitions, but the one for dolls is not for me. Why? You dislike dolls so much. Number 13, napendelea ku. I have put ku because it should be an infinitive. Napendelea ku zaidi. I'm more of a dash person. Si kwa ubaya, bali napendelea kusoma zaidi ya kwenda matembezi. Number 14, it's not my favorite. Si pendeleo langu. Or sipendi ku, an infinitive. Sipendi ku sana sana. An example, naweza kukwea milima lakini sipendi kufanya hivyo sana sana. I can climb a mountain, but it's not my favorite. It's not my thing. I don't like doing it all the time. Okay? Number 15, it's not my thing or my norm. Si kawaida yangu. Si kawaida yangu. Juma, si eti nataka kwenda nawe. Juma, si eti nakataa kwenda nawe. Si kawaida yangu kuogelea. Juma, it's not that I'm refusing to go with you, but it's not my thing to go swimming. Swimming is not my norm. Number 16, I don't prefer. Sipendelei. An example. Asante lakini sipendelei kutembea mchana kutwa. Asante lakini sipendelei kutembea mchana kutwa. Thanks, but I don't prefer walking the whole day. I don't prefer walking the whole day. Number 17. This actually is slang. Hainikai. 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 It doesn't suit me. It's not for me. An example. Eti twende tupande mlima. Asante lakini hainikai. Eti twende tupande mlima. Asante lakini hainikai. You say we should go climb a mountain. Thanks, but it doesn't suit me. Okay, and the vocabularies for this video, we have makusudi, do something willingly. Kukusudia, to intend to do something. Kusudi, an intention. Kusudi, an intention. Thamani, thamani, tha. TH is a tha. Then DH is a the. Thamani, value. Then we have dhamani. So they are different. This one is thamani, value. And then we have another one. Can you guess how it is pronounced? Try to guess how it is pronounced. Kuthamini. 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 To appreciate, to hold in high regard. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that it has educated you in a manner that you are going to grow and your Swahili is going to advance every day, every time that you watch Swahili Kingdom videos, because I'm trying to be as much as creative so that the Swahili learners watching videos from Swahili Kingdom may get what they need. And if you are lacking something from these videos, please comment so that they will be added. And until next time, bye.